Introducing Papyrus Converse, the revolutionary application that will transform the way you work and streamline your productivity. In this video series, we will look at how Converse can be used to design and execute value stream business processes with ease. Effective and knowledge-intensive collaboration hinges on the smooth communication and seamless coordination among all parties involved, which is facilitated through a centralized chat communication platform. All this can be done in an HTML-based web client application using browsers, tablets, and mobile devices. In the first video, we will look at the main functionalities and principles of Converse, how it works, and the benefits it brings to your company. The second video of this series showcases how a clerk and a supervisor process a car insurance request by using Converse Client. They will collaborate with each other and their customers on a value stream case using the chat collaboration area and receive AI-based support from the integrated user-trained agent. The third video in this series demonstrates how effortlessly management and business experts can design a value stream using Converse Designer on an iPad and Converse Composer in a browser. Converse is the solution when it comes to working with knowledge-intensive value streams and collaboration in order to deliver business values fast and efficiently. All this is based on integrated information modeling. Business experts and analysts define a domain-specific ontology covering all used business terms to describe processes and how they are related. With the ontology, business entities are structured and classified to define value streams efficiently, thereby framing a web of entities that represents anything you would like to use within your applications. With Converse Client, collaboration becomes a goal-oriented experience. At the core of Converse is its integrated chat functionality, which enables seamless communication and empowers stakeholders and users to make decisions and take action. The user-trained agent, an artificial intelligence component, continuously analyzes and learns from previously executed and ongoing processes and makes suggestions to take the best next action and reach their case's goals. This new way of working empowers business users to take their own decisions to match the specific situation best, while still following all business rules that apply. Strict process flows can take a lot of effort and time until the desired outcome is reached, whereas goal-oriented actions can be individually defined. Management uses Converse Designer and business experts work with Converse Composer to design collaborative processes as sequences of stages with clearly set goals and actions. These actions can be of any type. They can trigger personalized documents defined with Papyrus Business Designer and could also integrate with external systems. External service calls can be triggered to, for example, integrate with MS SharePoint, MS Dynamics, Guidewire, Salesforce, SAP, and others. In this video series, we will examine a typical business value stream using the company Golden Age Insurances as an example. Throughout the process of buying car insurance, all stakeholders, including customers, insurance agents, and supervisors, will use Converse to collaborate effectively. In the next video, we will see how they work on a value stream using Converse Client.